I'm now going to show you how you mix Centrorelix, or otherwise known as Centrotide, and this one is in the fridge. If you have time to remove it from the fridge half an hour before you inject, you can do so. It is stable at room temperature for quite a long period of time. It's more the temperature that might be an issue for you. If you find it coming straight from the fridge, it might be a bit cold and you might feel it more, but you can inject it straight from the fridge. So remove the packaging, make sure that the packaging is all secure. Open up the paperwork and you should have a syringe that contains your saline, or it's water for injection. So you've got your water for injection along with your medication, Centrotide, Centrorelix, and please be careful, this has also got a blue lid just like the Menopure. And you've got 2 mixing needles. Now they're different colours to your Menopure, so the thing to watch out for is you just choose your large one for the mixing and the small one for the injecting. You remove your cap, which has got a twisting mechanism known as a lure lock on it, and you twist the cap off your mixing needle and apply the 2 together without touching those sterile ends. Take the outer cover off, flick the lid off your medication, putting your hands down for stability, pop your needle into the middle of that rubber bung and push the water for injection into the pellet of drug. Now this one takes a little bit longer to dissolve compared to your Menopure. Sometimes it needs a little shake. Keeping your needle at the lowest point, draw the plunger back until you have retrieved all of the medication from the glass vial. And then carefully remove your needle and check you've got all your medication. So now you have mixed your drug, we now need to remove this large mixing needle, and in order to do that you use your bin, and in this part of the bin you put the needle down so that it will catch on the markers here, and when you've got a good grip you twist and the needle comes off the syringe. Note that that is still stuck there, but you can just gently push that in and you shouldn't cause a needle stick injury. You now need to add your injection needle on, so you take the cap off. Again, you cannot put this down as that is a sterile end, and you're going to add the 2 sterile ends together with a nice firm twist and remove the cap. Once you've got your injecting needle on, you need to remove that tiny little air bubble that's near the top, and you press the plunger carefully and gently up through the needle. You'll see the medication coming up through the needle at the base until you see a drop of drug near the top, and that's ready to inject. Taking your needle and syringe, you're only going to use the lower part of your tummy, and it goes in at a 45-degree angle. So holding it firmly in at a 45-degree angle, and you just press your plunger in. Now this medication is a known irritant, so if you get any of this medication on your hands or on your skin, it will start to itch, and you just need to wash your hands or wipe your abdomen. You can get a little red area, and please don't worry about that, it does happen, but do let us know if you're having any type of reaction with it. So it goes into your tummy, straight in. Once you've removed it, you place your injection again in your bin along with the glass vial, and there's nothing else that's glass or sharps there. So everything else that isn't of danger to anybody can go in a household bin along with the packaging.